We just walked into Home Depot to get some great stuff, and
Yeah.
you guys, it is like full on Christmas mode.
Yes.
I have never ever seen them take up this much space for Christmas. It's crazy
It is.
how much Christmas stuff they have. This has to be like everything, because
It's a
it
lot
takes
of
up
floor
like
space.
a third of their store basically.
Yeah.
At least it
Yeah.
takes up a full half of the front to the store.
Yeah.
We'll show you guys. It's bananas.
Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Christmas time. Christmas time is here. Look at how many decorations are in this place. I don't know if it's all out yet, but this is pretty nuts. You guys looking for any blow-ups? Stay cool.
Do you see the penguin fishing? There he is.
Fish on. Mmm. They have a cow. They even have a unicorn. They even have an inflatable Bumble. Bumbles bounce. They have King Moonracer. Chris, are you a misfit toy?
I always wanted to be a dentist.
I'm hiding in the bushes on the moon of Endor, staring at the Christmas Imperial Walker.
The amount of trees these guys have is crazy, and they're all different. I mean, there are so many different styles and types. Lights, without lights, fancy lights, smart lights, no lights, colored lights, warm lights, bright lights, white trees, snow trees, and even teeny weeny trees.
Classic trees, decorated trees, technology trees. Ooh, I won't be very good with that one.
Harrison, what are you looking at, buddy? A Christmas tree.
Those are cool how they change, huh? They change colors. They're all different colors.
They got little lights. They got big lights. They got medium lights. What's this tree doing?
Baby cake. Baby lights.
That tree has cranberries on it. Those cranberries are these holly berries?
Yeah.
Little holly berries? Look, it also has what, Harrison? Yeah, pine cone. What's on that one? Is that snow? Is that snow on that tree? You got some snow on your finger? Was it cold?
That is really cool. I actually really like this one. Gina, what do you think about these trees that have the real tiny lights?
You
Those
know,
are pretty
I
cool.
really like that.
Yeah,
I like it kind of better than this look.
yeah,
And this is the first time I've seen it like that.
yeah.
I do like it. I like how the little little twinkling lights.
Yeah, we don't.
Those ones aren't twinkling. Those ones are steady on.
Those are the lights. They're not twinkling, Clark.
Lights, they're not twinkling.
You have to chop down your Christmas tree. Have you found the perfect tree yet? There we go. That'll fit on top of the car. Did you remember to bring the saw? Gina got a bunch of free trees off of Craigslist that people were giving away, and man, they are heavy. Like they're the real metal folding ones with lights in them and stuff, and I could barely lift them, even in the pieces.
Yeah.
So hopefully they made a lot of these newer ones lighter.
Interesting. They put a tree inside a box made out of trees. So technically you get 2 trees, if not more.
Whoa. That's deep, Gina. Cool, they got some flock. I'll probably buy some of this year so we can flock some props. We'll do this inside the house, right, Harrison? Yeah. That'll be fun.
Nothing says comfort like relaxing on some nutcrackers. These are always fun to put on your door. And, bonus, it's a security system.
That's cool. These just to make some arts and crafts and stuff.
All the Christmas balls. Nice things are shatter resistant for little
Yes.
kids.
Man, that
Although
saved
they
us
still
last
have a
year.
way of breaking them.
Yeah. One thing I noticed about the Christmas stuff is they have all the crafts
Yeah.
like separated for you to build.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like you can create your own stuff. It's a lot more customizable.
Yes. Did you guys see the size of this? This is crazy.
I know, I haven't showed them
I
yet.
can only imagine someday them having this much like Halloween dinner. Massive amounts of blow-ups. They even have a dragon.
Yeah.
So if you did have a dragon, you could just put a Santa cap on it and then you have Christmas.
Hey, there you go. There's a new YouTube series, Dressing Up Your Blow-Ups.
Yeah. For other holidays, right?
Yeah. There's a Christmas hammer right there. Harrison found an employee hammer. You want to what? You want to make some?
I want to make some of those. And
Now-
the thing is if you put certain lights on them, you can use them for other holidays.
That's what I was just going to say. So the tree, you like the tree up there?
Yeah.
That one? Dang, they got a bunch of zip ties in their aisle.
Yeah. Harrison found one on the ground.
No, that's really cool though. You can never have enough zip ties, huh, Gina?
And this is multi-size. 4, 8, and 11 inches.
Woohoo!
This is good for scene setting as well.
Yeah.
So many uses you can do with that. Nightmare Before Christmas.
They need to sell this
Gingerbread houses.
in like giant rolls.
They do online.
Okay.
But most people just use them for their little Santa villages, I think.
Okay.
Want to push some buttons? I think go one more, and then I think there's some buttons. Oh, it plays another song? That's cool. A fun house. Does it do anything? Oh, it lights up. Oh, it's not working? Got it. Wow, that is horrible. No. That's that's like the worst Christmas song ever. Honey, you gotta watch this. You see the worst Halloween thing ever?
Halloween? Yeah.
You wanna see the worst Christmas animal ever? I can see every parent putting that in the trash. Like, this is what you really want to give someone if you hate them. Like,
Someone
God,
might
they're
like it.
selling
You know what I was waiting for it to do is to faint. Like it looks like yeah, that would be awesome if they did that.
Oh, he's a redneck reindeer. It's a Kit Kat.
You're silly.
You filming this?
Yeah. Is that your jam?
Whoa!
What is that, Harrison? It's poo-poo, huh? I'm not sure about this one. That's gross. Do you like that one? Ew.
You want that train, buddy? That'd be fun to have going around the tree. I used to have a train like this when I was a kid, and you'd put vegetable oil in it and it would puff out smoke. But we need to get ourselves a train for our tree, huh, buddy? Push it. Hold it down. Nice. The North Pole Express.
They should pull these out for Halloween as well.
Yeah, totally. Use them for the other holidays. Yeah, because we should buy some now for the...
Yeah, absolutely. We got all kinds of different setups. Christmas stuff's already getting hammered on. Are you sure you checked the bulbs? One bulb goes out, the rest of it doesn't work. Man.
You getting any ideas, Gina? of Little projects that you can do?
The wheels are always turning.
Little Christmas props? What is this? A light for...
Incandescent light sets. I think it snaps back.
Look at this. They got poles to change out light bulbs.
Yeah. Try that. Shit. Wow.
There we go.
Those are so cool. I love those lights.
Yeah. 12 bucks, 13 bucks,
Yeah, that's
14
actually
bucks.
some of the cheapest I've seen them because those ones can be expensive. I think Costco sells lights like this, but they come in a big pack, so it might be more cost effective to check out Costco if you have one.
Yeah.
They dressed them up like little Christmas presents. That is so cute. Snowflakes. More snowflakes. Ooh, look at all those snowflakes. It's fun to see snowflakes when we don't get snowflakes here.
Yeah, exactly.
It's the closest thing we can do.
We just need to make a board with a bunch of buttons at home.
Yeah.
Do you like the colored icicles or do you like the clear ones better?
Ooh, this one's got a little bit of blue in it, huh? Did you see that? It's got a
Yeah.
little bit of blue.
I like that.
That's neat.
That's cool.
Icy blue. This is called Shooting Star. And what's this one? Oh, it's light icicles and a big icicle. Whoa.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so this is all show lights. So
Yeah.
you can sync it all with your phone, plug them in. Oh man, they even have candy canes that do it too now. Spotlights. So people who do all the light shows in the front of their house, they're set up.
Yeah, we should totally use some of these for Halloween displays too.
Yeah. You know, I'm surprised they really don't sell that stuff around Halloween because there are
Yeah.
people who do the light shows for Halloween as well. Do you think if I touch my tongue to that, it'll stick?
Try it.
I don't think so, Tim.
Gina will get, instead of touching their tongue to ice cream, we'll start a new trend. They're licking the icicles in Home Depots.
I found something I want to get. Come here and give me a big fat lickery kiss.
I thought I was gonna get a kiss.
I know, but this is better with my babe.
And may all your Christmases be bright.
Here's the new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in the winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he's Parson Brown. He'll say, "Are you married?" We'll say, "No, man." But you can do the job when you're in town. As we drink
Those legs.
by the fire.
Baby Santa.
The face not afraid, the plans that we made, walking in the winter wonderland. It's the best time of the year. Ho, ho, ho. Well, I don't know if there'll be snow.
If he keeps dancing like that, he's gonna have to eat a lot of milk and cookies this year to keep up that shape.
That's right. Well, there's the quick overview of everything they have at Home Depot.
Yeah.
My mind is still blown.
Yes.
It's October 6th. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Deck Home Depot with
Lots of Christmas.
fa la 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 la. Take it away, Harrison. La 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 la.
No.
He's still on Halloween mode, like his mommy.
Fa la 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 la.
La, 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 la.
La 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 la
La la la la.
This is the winner.
You know the problem right now is say, Mommy, you gotta buy it. Say, Mommy, I want it.
We have the video anytime he wants to watch it.